Hello guys, welcome to Learning with ZAMREZ. Today we're going to do smiley buttons. Smile and say cheese. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so we're going to do with the tutorial. So now let's read this. Code the buttons on the microbit to show that it's happy or sad. Okay. Place a on button, press block to run code when button A is pressed. Okay. Now before we go on to the next step, I want to teach you what this block does. So you can see two buttons on the microbit out here, right? There's one button in the back of the microbit. Yeah, so if I click on the A, there are two buttons. This one is A button and this one is the B button. A and B. So now if I click on this A button and the on button A press, all the code in here will start playing. The same for B. If the B button is pressed, all the code in this block will play if it's B or here. Okay, so let me just switch back to A. Next. Okay. Place a show LEDs block inside on button pressed to display a smiley on the screen. Press the A button in the simulator to see the smiley. Oh, smiley, smile. So I'm putting this over there. Oh. Hey, a smiley button. We're gonna go next one. Oh, it's a sad face. Okay, so now I'm going to, it's a sad face and but on B button pressed. Okay, now let me read this. Add on button pressed, and show a ladies block to display a frowny when button B is pressed. Okay, it's going to be a sad face. Happy, sad. Good thing I remembered it. What is it? Add a secret mode that happens when A and B button are pressed together. For this case, add multiple show LEDs block to create an animation. Wow! On button A plus B. Okay, let's do it. I can do exactly the same. So now this block does if the both buttons are pressed, like if A and B button are pressed at the same time. The same time. Okay, so then we can't do it in the computer because we have only one mouse. So they have added A plus B button out here in the virtual, whereas in the microbit you could just press the two buttons at the same time to play it. Okay, so this thing is going in another code. Okay, so now let's start. Yeah. Make an animation. Wow. That's an if I click on smiley face. Yes. The animation is keep on happening. Maybe it's a bug. Okay. What does the next thing do? If you have a microbit, yes. Now we're going to transport the code into the microbit. So now let's start. I'm clicking on the download button. Okay. Okay, so copy it to your Microbit drive. That is it. Okay, I'm gonna paste it right. Okay, so now copying Microbit smiley buttons text to Microbit. Microbit, come back. Okay, let's see. Hey, happy, sad, happy, sad. Now I'm clicking. I'm pressing the both buttons. Yes. Uh, yes, sad, sad. Pressing the both buttons. So it's done. Bye. I will see all of you in the next video.